Some shrimp today. Alrighty, the goldfish are all fed. We got that taken care of. We just got off work and it's Friday. It's a great day. Today I'm gonna be going over a buddy's house and we're gonna be making some deer jerky. The deer I shot, which was now about a week ago, ended up getting processed like really fast. So I got my freezer right here. It's just full of deer meat now, which I'm super pumped about. We took some of these bad boys right here and we defrosted them. Still got some frozen ones in here, but I thawed a couple of those out and yeah, we're gonna take them over to my buddy's house and we're gonna be throwing them in a dehydrator and making jerky. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're gonna be doing today and I don't know, it's gonna be fun. Who doesn't love jerky? So we're gonna go over there and show you guys how to make some venison jerky. Man, I gotta squeeze in here. I am literally so hyped. Like, I look forward to this all year. Like, this is just like, I don't know. I like making jerky. We actually got to do some Christmas shopping too, but I don't know. We'll probably do that while we wait for the dehydrator to dehydrate, I suppose. So I don't know. We're gonna make a fun little video. The question is, can I get out of the driveway right now? Because everybody in my family likes to park behind me. Merry Christmas, Merry and bright. Hey, we made it. We had the boys. We doing it large. It's jerky time. Ready to make some deer jerky, dog? Huh? What? You're gonna wag your butt off. Come here. What? We're showing the kids how to make jerky, Mike.
We got the meats.
I only brought one full like fillet, so we're just kind of doing a little test trial. This dog, you ready to make some jerky, dog? Come on. Got the dehydrator. So we're gonna be making some venison jerky today, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. This is our first time ever tackling this. Well, we've made jerky before, just not with venison. Normally we use beef, but it can't be too far off. Venison's what, a little more lean, right? I think that's what it is. And I guess it dehydrates a little bit quicker than beef does. But here's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be taking one deer steak right here, and we're gonna try it with just one because this is gonna be our trial and error. And we're gonna be marinating it a little bit in liquid smoke. We're probably gonna add a little bit of pepper. We have our seasonings here. You guys can literally do whatever you like. It's personal preference. I prefer pepper. This dog's scooting his butt on the floor. Normally what you would do with the steak prior to doing this is marinate it, but honestly, we never did it. We're just lazy. And it honestly just tastes just as fine for us. Even with the beef, we never marinate our beef when we make it. I'm sure it's probably better marinated, but you know, we're impatient. So we're just gonna do one today just for fun because we had nothing to do on Friday night, so we figured we'd drink beer and make jerky. So I don't know, Mike. Let's get to it, buddy. Let's tackle it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this open and then we're going to start slicing it up. I'm trying to think. I probably shouldn't do this here because it's gonna make a mess. You know what I mean? Guys, we got our deer steaks right here. We got them all rinsed off and all that nonsense. So now we're gonna cut, you know, some of the fat off, and we're gonna try and slice them as thin as possible. I'm gonna dip them in this marinade, or in this liquid smoke, I should say, for a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna cut them up and we're just gonna get them ready to go. There's probably better ways to do this. Like I said, guys, we're pretty new to doing the whole deer thing, but this is exactly how we did it with beef in high school and stuff like that, and it always turned out pretty well. So we figured, hey, you know, we'll try. This was just one package. I got 4 packages of these, so I got a lot of meat to play around with. But yeah, we're gonna try this batch out, and from here we'll probably perfect it. But hey, if you guys got any suggestions or anything, leave a comment down below. Other than that, me and Mike are gonna get to cutting and slicing some good old deer meat. So what we do here is we got the dehydrator on for what, 165 degrees, and I think what, 3.5 hours it says or something like that. What most people do their jerky for. So we're actually gonna leave this in here. We're gonna go do some Christmas shopping, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna try it. So let's hope we didn't screw up.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, we actually went Christmas shopping for way longer than we thought, but here we go. We left them in a little bit too long, and they look like crazy overcooked. Actually, these ones aren't bad, but they're not bad. For our first time around making jerky batch, I ain't complaining. The barbecue one's super good, 7 pepper super good. The pepper was just in there a little bit too long. The thing we're going to do for next time, I think, is we're going to make thicker cuts. We did cut it really thin because usually you have to when you're making jerky, but the venison just dries out and thins up like a lot, we've realized. So it's good, it's tasty, but the next time around, I think we're going to cut them a little bit thicker. We're going to season them a little bit better. Like this barbecue, the Jack Daniel's barbecue is actually super good. And I think I'm going to do like a barbecue like this with a pepper on it. I think it's going to be really good. But hey, there we go, guys. First time making deer jerky. And I'm going to give it like a 5 out of 10. But hey, whatever. It's something new. We did a little cooking episode on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're doing a 5K giveaway. If you guys hit that subscribe button, you may just win some new fishing stuff. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.